Welcome to Computer Server Solutions. Today we will build a gaming PC. Motherboard is Asus Prime Z790P Wi-Fi, Intel 14900K 24 cores 36 MB cache and 6 GHz overclock speed. 32 GB into 2 6000 MHz RAM T-Force Delta. For storage 2 TB XPG H70 Blade Gen 4 SSD. Cooler Master 360 ARGB liquid cooler for calm down processor anger. Power supply unit is Corsair RM850W Gold, which is fully modular. This is backbone unit for excellent gaming RTX 4070 Super graphic card.